Hey, how you doing? Troy here. And question, have you ever heard the saying, the money is in the list? Almost every high level, multiple six and even seven figure income earner built a massive income from successful email marketing systems. This email system is what I've been using to not only make money with it, but also promote my opportunities as well. So if what I share with you in this video makes sense, you get some value from it, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And what's really possible? Income disclaimer, there are no guarantees of earnings. Your results are based on your work ethic and personal efforts. But take a look at this. So I don't know when it is that you're watching this video, but I want to share with you what happened in the last 2 days. As you can see, here is my name. This commission came into me for $200. You can see the date here, August 5th, 2025. Here's another payment that came in for 50 bucks. This came into my Cash App. You can see the name here, and this was the same day, August 5th, 2025. All right, here's another one that came in for $100. Same day, right? 4:30 in the afternoon. And August 6th, the very next day, $150, 2:45 in the afternoon, my name, right? And another $100 payment came in August 6th, 1:40 in the afternoon. Folks, that is a total in the last 2 days of $600. Now, what if all that you did was you ended up making $100 every day for the next 30 days? You'd have a $3,000 a month income, right? I just showed you how you can average $300 a day. And think about it. If you did that every single day for a month, that is a $9,000 a month income. And if you add that up in the course of a year, that is a $108,000 yearly income. And all that I'm doing really is using this AI email assistant that pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. And the beauty about this is that this system is highly intuitive. What does that mean? You don't have to create your own content. You don't have to figure out and spend 30 minutes a day trying to craft the perfect email. And this system, known as Simple Commissions Mailbot, which is the product, it's going to allow you to promote up to 3 different business opportunities. So if you already have a few programs that you're involved in and you want to get more traffic, generate more leads, and use this system to help close sales, or if maybe you're just looking for a simple way to make money online, I'm telling you right now, Simple Commissions Mailbot is the way to go. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply watch this 3-minute video overview. And then what you're going to do is I want you to demo this. I don't just want you to take my word for it. And you're going to be able to send my Mailbot an email and get a demo, send it an email, ask it questions. You'll see, how quickly it interacts with you. And the very first thing that I loved about this program when I started using it is that every single one of my emails that I sent to this Mailbot ended up in my inbox. Now think about that. On average, most people lose about 30% of their emails getting lost in people's spam and junk folders. And my personal experiences, every single one of them has landed in the inbox or in the promotions tab, but not a single one ended up in my junk folder. And I tested this out with a free Gmail account. So how do you get access to this information? Very, very simple. All you're going to do as soon as this video is over, go to the description. You'll have some simple instructions in the description so that you can get your own free demo. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, comment, like, subscribe to my channel. Once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.